Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create wood texture background in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create wood texture background. Go to the page design menu. Then go to the background option. Then select more backgrounds. Now we can see here the picture or texture field, then we select it, then go to the texture option and we can see here many texture. Now we select the wood texture. Now we select this wood and click OK. Then we can see we create a wood texture background very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.